Adriana, so if we look very closely at our notes that say how to area notes, inside of the shape fills up the shape. So that's the definition for area. So if you look at this one, you can see that it's actually divided up into squares. And what I mainly want you to focus on right now, especially just on this worksheet, is you don't have to practice multiplying. You really just have to count up the squares that are inside the shape, and that's the area. So if I were to count this one up, I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 centimeters squared is my area, okay? Now, if I wanted to try the multiplying method, so instead of just counting them, if I wanted to try this, I would say, okay, for my length, up here is the length, or down here is the length, one of the two. My length is 1, 2, 3, 4, because there's 4 across. Then my width is either this side or that side. I have 1, 2, 3, okay? Now, to find my area, I have to multiply these two, which brings in our little formula here, length times width. I would multiply 4 times 3, and I know that 4 times 3 is 12, which gives me my area, okay? And then I can't forget my units squared. Now, this worksheet makes it a little harder to see the boxes, just a tad bit. So I don't know if you can kind of see with my camera up close. Here is a box by itself, so I'm going to just try to run of course my pen isn't going to be straight, but here's another box. Here are the other boxes. So they're kind of hard to see, and of course I've made those not very straight. But if I look at it, I can just count them. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's actually 7 centimeters squared. Okay. See if this helps, and if it doesn't, your mom is going to have you FaceTime me, okay?